I teach anatomy and physiology 1 and 2, lecture and lab, and engagement is key because most of the time as adults, when we are engaged and our brain is focused, we will remember. And so when we're looking at engagement and we're also looking at student participation, my expectation is that every student do the best they can to maintain a level of focus and engagement in the course, not because it makes me feel better, but because it's better for you as a student. Participation through homework, also active learning, listening exercises in class is also important because when you're actively involved in focus, you remember. My teaching philosophy is to impart as much usable and functional knowledge to my students as I can. I also like to connect with my students as a human being. So once students find out that I'm a human being and they know that I'm a human being, we can connect through humanity. And I think the number one role of a professor in a student's educational journey is to be the number one encourager for that student. And when I say encourager, what I mean is to make sure that students understand that, okay, what if I didn't do so well on the exam? Well, instead of berating and talking about all the things that a student didn't do, let's look at and focus on what works. And let me encourage you to do better by giving you practical solutions to problems. I'm pretty liberal on grading. I'd like to have a bonus opportunity on each exam that's a minimum of 10 bonus points. That way, that's a difference between a B and an A or a C and a B. So every student has the opportunity to increase their score by a minimum of 10 points for the active learning and also for different bonus opportunities that they may have. I expect students to adhere to deadlines. I'm not real hard and fast on a lot of different deadlines. I have one central deadline where everything is due, and if you can get everything to me by that time, then you'll get your credit.